Episode 38 P Ishan and Turkey, East Asia Greenpeace lawsuits to enact PM 2.5 standards in South Asia. Ishan noted that Turkey relies heavily on fossil fuels for energy, as fossil fuel power accounts for 83% of the country's electricity supply, according to the Climate Transparency Report. The country's reliance on coal and its constant investment in new power plants has been an ongoing problem and brings more health threats to the local communities, with summer wildfires worsening the problem. According to the Dark Report 2021 published by the Right to Clean Air platform, more than 30,000 people die each year from respiratory illnesses caused by air pollution. Greenpeace Turkey has been working with local communities to tackle the issues of air pollution. They have cooperated with 15 other NGOs and professional organizations to run the Right to Clean Air platform, worked on an EU-funded health project on climate change and environment (CISIP) and successfully stopped the Turkish Parliament's 2019 Article 45 to initiate a 2-year investment in private coal power plants. At the beginning of 2020, after months of hard campaigning from Greenpeace, the government temporarily shut down 5 coal-fired power plants and the partial unit of 1 plant. The Right to Clean Air platform Turkey is now calling on the government to align with the WHO's 2021 New Air Quality Annual Average Guideline. In 2022, the Ministry of Environment made the draft regulations for the year 2029. The PM 2.5 limit value in the draft regulation was aimed to decrease from annual average 30 micrograms per meter cubed in 2021 to 25 micrograms per meter cubed by 2029. But it is still 5 to 6 times higher than the WHO updated guideline. The empowerment and cooperation of organizations and local residents are the main driving forces to change air quality. In the past 2 years, the number of signatures for Greenpeace MED's online petition for its Clean Air campaign has reached as high as 116,000, a show of solidarity and concern for what is happening to our air and to our planet. These inspiring campaigns prove that citizens and organizations have the power to propel actions from the government when unified. As we all live under one sky, each and every one of us has the right and ability to change our circumstances to demand clean air now. Mary noted that the focus of residents against wood smoke emission particulates, ROSEP, is on the health effects to near neighbors of living next to residential wood burning, in those hyper-localized areas where the source of particulate pollution, PM 2.5, is concentrated. PM 2.5, particulate matter of 2.5 micrometer size, is the perfect size to infiltrate the human lung, causing a cascade of human health problems. Wood smoke consists of 90% PM 2.5. Residential PM 2.5 monitors can be purchased by neighbors from Purple Air for less than $300, and their locations are put on the online Purple Air map, along with data uploaded every 10 minutes, available to the general public, and of course, to governmental authorities. Neighbors of residential wood burners would like their Purple Air PM 2.5 monitor data to be used to regulate and shut down residential wood burning detected at neighbors' fence lines that exceeds the World Health Organization, WHO, standards of 5 micrograms per meter cubed or future U.S. standards of 8 micrograms per meter cubed. There could even be court-ordered monitoring using a neighbor-owned Purple Air PM 2.5 monitor as a breathalyzer, similar to car breathalyzers court-ordered for repeat drunk drivers, to turn off the ignition of a neighboring indoor wood stove when levels of PM 2.5 in a near neighbor's yard is exceeded. In this way, governmental authorities would not have to check the make and model of an appliance and would not have to rely on unreliable certification and other worthless assurances of levels of wood stove particulate emissions by the company that manufactured it. Purple Air monitors also provide data every 10 minutes 24 hours a day, and data can be downloaded from the map by governmental authorities the day after the PM 2.5 levels are exceeded, during normal government working hours. Purple Air PM 2.5 monitors are so reliable and accurate they are put on U.S. Air Now smoke and fire maps alongside $100,000 Environmental Protection Agency, EPA, monitors, correlated to the EPA monitors with a simple mathematical formula. But to publicize this, it is necessary to point out that living hyper-localized next to a residential wood burner is essentially the same as living hyper-localized next to any kind of PM 2.5 emitting wood burning appliance, next to a PM2.5 emitting wood-burning wildfire or next to a PM2.5 emitting industrial biomass, wood, burning facility.